Hello guys, flash.fnx here. Today we're going to discuss about UNI. It is a token on the Ethereum mainnet and it should be pretty interesting. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Quick disclaimer guys, this is 18 plus, so if you're not 18 plus, please don't watch this video. Here on the website we can see the new dog in town. Scrolling a bit down on the token details, so 90% of the total supply was locked in liquidity, and the rest 10% was the team tokens. UNI got a big skyrocket over here, so the token was started on the 12th of May. It is a 4-day-old token on the 16th of May, so today it had a massive pump. I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter, as well as joining the Telegram group with over 371 members. Quick disclaimer guys, everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only, and always do your own research before buying any of these tokens. Now I want to show you guys on how to buy UNI. So firstly, you'll have to need MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. You need Ethereum, so just transfer some Ethereum to your wallet. After that, go on their website, click on buy UNI. It will redirect you to the UNI swap. Put your Ethereum, so how much Ethereum you want to swap for UNI, put in whatever amount, click on swap, confirm the swap, and MetaMask will give you a notification saying confirm. With that being said guys, don't forget to check out UNI. The links will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Bye.